I was hoping to repair the bottom of this door, but there just isn't enough metal left there now. Look along the bottom edge. Some chunks missing here. And unfortunately, there's just not enough to take the seal, the rubber seal. And that has an unusual flange actually. It's just a slight return on this. Let's see if I can show you. There you can see just a slight bevel on that, which is what holds the rubber seal on. And that's really important, so I'm going to have to reproduce that somehow on the new panel, on the replacement repair panel. So what I've decided is there just isn't enough metal there to repair bits and bobs. That I think it's just going to be just as quick and a lot better to put a repair panel in. So excuse while I put this panel up. There we go. And hopefully I can lose the welds, spot welds in that section there. Spot weld the edge on. Right, there are several ways I can put this panel on, this repair section. And one of them is just to butt weld, so in other words cut this off right through and then butt weld them, the panel, the repair panel to the original panel. The trouble with that is that there could be some distortion. My welding is not very good, and although I could probably lose it in this section here, I could maybe put a stripe over it, a decal or something to hide it, I still think it's going to distort too badly. The other option, just sort of considering, is to butt weld it on the edges there and actually cut that bit out to that section there, and then tuck the repair section behind this bit and weld along this edge here where it's hidden on that return there, that reveal, and then that would be very easy to hide and retain the whole of this panel practically without any damage or distortion. And that, because it's on a reveal, will be quite strong. It will keep its shape along here across the back of the door. So that's what I'm considering now. So it has to meet the edge here, so I'm going to have to cut this bit off and this bit here obviously, so that it butt welds there, around there to there. But from there onwards I'm going to keep this in front and tuck the repair section behind all the way across. So here, and then again butt weld. So hopefully that will tuck behind. So, what I've done is I've cut around here so that it butt welds there, and from there onwards I'm going to trim this up obviously. I'm going to weld along there, and that bevel all the way across to there, which is also, all this is tucked behind, so there's a bit tucked behind here. I'll spot weld every 40mm or whatever. And then when it comes to here again, I'll butt weld that round there, contour it, shape it around there, so that that matches all the way around. Whoops, on this bit here, on the edge, which it has to obviously for the rubber seal, and visually that will butt weld. And then I don't have to butt weld the whole panel. Excellent, and it will retain its shape because this is nice and strong. That edge will keep this in line. So I think that's a good solution. Getting there slowly but surely. Just a series of spot welds on that reveal. And then once I've got that fitting nice and tight, I shall close it up with spot welds, staggering them so that it doesn't get over hot and hopefully it doesn't distort. But that's basically what I've done. It's not a butt weld but an overlap weld on the reveal, so it should be hidden. Just a bit of filler should be fine. Race against time because the light is terrible now. It really is. Bloody winter. Let's stay there. Can't see what I'm doing now. Lights are poor, so I'm going to have to use a torch to help. I need to get a proper halogen standard lamp or something ready for this sort of work.